and League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fort Bend County in Texas, southwestern Harris County in Texas, until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located near Pecan Grove and moving east at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Missouri City, Mission Bend, Sugar Land, First Colony, Bel Air, Pecan Grove, West University Place, Richmond, Stafford, Town West, Meadows, Hunters Creek Village, Bunker Hill Village, Piney Point Village, Fresno, Southside Place, and Darcola. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday morning for southeastern Texas.